I'm going to move over to the pump now, and what I've done is I've connected an analog source to the analog input of this MPC controller and a digital multimeter that's going to monitor the analog output. Here at the MPC controller keypad, I've got the motor turned on right now, and of course there's no flow because we're at 0. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into or I'm going to leave it in auto mode, so to speak, and I'm going to go over to my source and increase the signal. Okay, so I've given the pump 8 milliamps, and you can see that the output tracks that at around 7.9. We'll just go up a little higher to 12, and you can see that the analog output will track up to the 12 milliamps as well. Looks like it's going to do that. Alright, now I'm going to go up to 20 milliamps. And you can see that the analog output is following the analog input. So I'm applying 20 milliamps or 100%, and the analog output is displaying 19.9. So now I'm going to go into manual mode. First I'll take it down to 4 milliamps. So we're going to go to 0. And here at the hand unit, I'm going to turn it into manual mode. Okay. And once we're in manual mode like that, you can see that the LED is illuminated next to the auto manual push button. I'm going to start the motor. Okay, and because I'm only applying a 0% to it, I'll now increase the speed here. Okay. Now my unit is scaled 0 to 41 gallons per hour, so I'll take it up to around 20. Okay. Sorry, get to 20. Close enough. 21 is good. So in manual mode, 21 gallons per hour. Okay, you can see that my analog input now remains at 4 because I'm not using the analog input. I'm controlling it from the manual hand unit. And if I look at the analog output, it's sitting at about 12 milliamps, which is 50%, I believe. Yes, 50%. So what we're saying here is that the analog output, whether it's in auto or manual, will track a value proportional to what the scaling is of the hand unit. So let's just bring it up a little higher here. So we're at 21. So it's going up, and I'll scoot over here. You can see that the analog output is climbing. So I'm at 100% now on my hand unit, and the analog output has gone up to 19.9. So I think that demonstrates that the analog output will send a signal proportional to the flow pumping of the flow value pumping of this meter. Thank you for your time.